At Baw Baw Shire Council, we take road safety very seriously. We've taken a step to allow and encourage our team members specialising in road safety and traffic engineering to participate in the Making Roads motorcycle friendly training offered by Safe System Solutions.
This is a world first initiative where we get engineers, road designers, road maintenance staff. We teach them the theory of how to design and manage a road system to cater for motorcyclists, but then we put them on a bike so they get to feel just some of the basics and the needs of riders from within the saddle.
Our council got on board, which was really fantastic, and so now from a staff perspective gives us a little bit of momentum that we can build on, and as I said, today is really around work practices, what actions we as council officers can actually get on board with. So I think that's really positive.
I'm really pleased that our team members have been able to partake in that training, and I really look forward to hearing from them in terms of what their experiences were.